Well, welcome everyone. I have a question. Do you have photos on your phone? Are you worried about taking them off because you might lose them? You might press the wrong button? Well, I have an expert with me today, Mary Kay Nielsen, and she is so happy to answer that question. Mary Kay, what do we do if we're scared about losing those photos if we try to download them?
Marcia, I can say don't be afraid. It takes about 2 months before a photo that's deleted actually gets deleted, so you really can't press a wrong button. I have 4 places that you can store your photos that will help keep them safe. There's a hard drive, a thumb drive. You can store them through Amazon Photos or on the cloud. And we're going to talk about the benefits of all 4 types of storage for your photos. I recommend storing it in 2 places. You don't want to be maybe on vacation and you have your phone but not your laptop. You want to be able to access your photos. Once I was unable to access my photos on one device, but I had them on the other. So I had everything I needed when I needed it.
Okay, that sounds really good, especially for like myself. I've been paralyzed for years of trying to download them from my phone. They weren't showing up on my computer. But you're going to be in our expert in our photo organizing class in August, and people get a session with you if they have that fear to be able to sync them so they'd be able to. You know, my friend, there was a fire here in California. Their house burned down
Mm.
and they lost everything. But her husband had uploaded the photos into the cloud and they did not lose any family memories. So, folks, if you're just counting on your print photos, we need you in the photo class so you can get them on a device, a second one, so that you have them safely stored. So they're not safe on one device, but you are double safe if you have them on two. So be sure to go to organizingpro.com/photo organizing. Join our August class. We will get you through it. I do this class once every year. And this year, Mary Kay is our expert and she will help you safely get them off your devices into those two places. All right. Thanks, Mary Kay. We're going to be there and I look forward to having everyone in the class. Bye for now.
Bye.